Hello students, in the previous lecture we have done basic definition of permutation and combination, basic definition of permutation and combination, okay, and main important one principle, fundamental principle of counting, fundamental principle of counting. This principle is very important. Without this, you can't survive in this chapter and also in probability chapter. Not in this syllabus, but many exams take. Okay, so and some we have done some basic questions and advanced question on fundamental principle of counting, like this numbers between 100 and 1000 which divides by 2 or 7. Okay, we have done all these problems. So now we start difference between permutation and combination, then factorial notation, and then about permutation. Okay, so let's start our lecture. Our first topic is difference between permutation and combination. Yeah, the first topic is difference between permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. So I told you in previous lecture, but I repeat it. Permutation means simply arrangement. Okay. Means arrangement of R objects in anything. Okay. This advance I told you later. Combination means selection or make group. Selection or make group. This is the main difference in permutation and combination. Permutation means arrangement of objects and combination means selection of objects. Okay, this is the main difference. Now let's I give example. If I take these three alphabets, okay, I tell you that give me different arrangements of this. So you can give AB, BC, and AC. But I told you, I say that AP and B are different in arrangement. Yes, obvious, because here A is first, here B is first, so difference, and here is CB, and here is C. So total 6 arrangement possible of three letters A, B, C. And if I take selection combination, then only these three: A, B, B, C, and AC. A, B, B, C, and AC. Okay. So this is the main difference between permutation and combination. And these, you remember these keywords. Permutation means arrangement and combination means selection. Now we start our factorial notation. Our next topic is, this is also basic concept important. This factorial notation used in every okay, like in probability and all these chapter. This is basic concept. What is factorial notation? Okay. So the definition of this factorial notation is the continued product of first n natural numbers is one minute, is denoted by this one. This symbol first, 1 minute, I highlight this, how we denote this. this one, this, or this. In higher education, you find this symbol. Okay, this is very general. In higher education, you always find this, not this one. But in this our syllabus, this symbol is used, and read as factorial n. Factorial n. Okay. Many people read as n factorial. N factorial doesn't any sense. This first factorial, then n. These symbols work. First factorial, then n. Okay, read as factorial n. Yes. So means n factorial is what? One. The continued product of first n natural number means 1 into 2 into 3 up to n minus 1 into n. This is our n factorial. Let calculate 5 factorial. Then what is value of 5 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This is 120. Okay. So this is the basic about factorial, means definition and symbol. Now we study many calculate and formula. Okay. So, and one important thing, more important thing is by definition, 0 factorial and 1 factorial value is 1. Okay. 0 factorial is also 1, 1 factorial is also 1. This used because in many questions direct value is 0 factorial. Then how we calculate it? This is simply 1 and 1 factorial is also 1. And one important thing is n factorial is not defined if n is negative. Okay, means n must be natural number, n belongs to natural number, and n greater than 0. Okay, sorry, greater than equal to 0, because 0 factorial is also defined. 0 factorial is 1. So this is condition. If n is less than 0 or negative, then n factorial is not defined. Now we do question based on this factorial notation and permutation. Okay, so let's start our first question. Is find the value of 12 factorial minus 10 factorial divided by